How to use Instagram Notes. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Notes. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, Instagram Notes are text posts that will disappear after 24 hours. You can put up to 60 characters in one note, and you can only post one note at a time. Instagram Notes will appear at the top of your direct message inbox and are only visible to followers who follow you back, or you can restrict a note to close friends only. To post a note on Instagram, first make sure your Instagram app is updated to the newest version. Then open up the app and go to your direct message box. Now, if this feature is available in your region, which it's not in mine, you should see the new note section at the top. To post a new note, tap the plus sign on the left of the note section. Type in what you'd like your note to say. You can use up to 60 characters, including spaces. Now you can choose whether you'd like to share it with followers you follow back or just the people on your close friends list. When you're ready, tap share. Your note will appear at the top of your notes section, and only the people in the group you selected will be able to read it. Just like stories, your note will disappear automatically after 24 hours. If you tap your current note, you can replace it with a new note or delete it. And that's all it takes to use Instagram Notes. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.